So I have with me a simple gift wrapping sheet and a gift box. Place the gift box towards one edge and follow the steps in the video. Now start folding the sheet as shown, and also you have to ensure that the folds touch the edge of the gift box. And this is how it should look like in the end. Now repeat the above steps for this end of the gift box. Also you can try out these folds in the longer sides as well. Now let's watch the remaining step to this very simple yet elegant gift box. This is a simple yet classy gift wrapping design. I hope you all loved it and that you will try the variations of this design. Let's meet again in another episode. Till then, stay tuned to What's Your Hobby?